Hi there, Steve Bionic here. In sunny Bicester this morning, well, sort of sunny, a bit rainy, doing a installation for two store kits for the Finest Catch fish and chip restaurant. So did a first part of the install last couple of weeks ago. Today installing a kitchen printer and making sure that all the system is up and running. And yeah, I'll show you a little bit more in a minute. Hi there, so I've just finished the installation. So basically we've got two iPads with running Loyverse. So this is one of the iPads here. So we've got the Loyverse app. So all the menu items are on there. Any kitchen print requirements, so any food that's going through the system comes into a kitchen printer in the back here. And that is basically here. So that now squirts, so that's connected via Ethernet cable to the network at the back, and picked up on the network as a kitchen printer. So we've gone for two iPad Pros with a Star MC3 printer for regards to the receipt printing, and Loyverse as the main application for running the EPOS. So everything's working. We also have connected integrated Zettle terminals as well, which are very, very fast, and we've just done a load of testing and it all works, which is great. The great thing is as well, if the customer requires anything changed in the back office with regards to pricing, the way that the format's on the screen, myself or one of my colleagues can log into the back office, make those changes, and because it's cloud-based, they automatically synchronize to both iPads as well. So that's a happy customer and fully installed.